I told you guys Close Up would take care of you, and they have. I got a phone call today from the Close Up Foundation, and the U.S. government has provided Close Up a small business loan through the COVID-19 Recovery Act, and Close Up has made some adjustments on their refunds. So, here you go. If you stay and go to Close Up next year in 2021, then all of your $400 deposit is counted. You don't lose a thing. It just is carried over to next spring, and you walk into next year with Close Up $400 cheaper than it normally would have been. Also, I talked to them about seniors, and finally, some good news for seniors. If you're interested, you can go with us. Now, think about this. It's a lot better financially because you get to use your money and you carry the $400 all the way over, and you'll be done with school. Winter term is over by the first week in May. So you would be able to go with us to Washington, D.C. No changes if you drop out. You still only get $100. And now there's no longer a need to carry over to the fall. So you have two choices. And you're going to have to let me know. I can rework the bills for you. But this is good news, guys. This is really, really good news. It's good news in the fact that Close Up came through. And it's good news that they applied for a small business loan and they got the small business loan. Something finally worked right. So you guys got to let me know what you want to do. You got to let me know what you want to do. Drop me a line and let's figure this thing out.